To share your current Wi-Fi connection on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with a QR code, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon, tap connection, next tap Wi-Fi. Under current network section, tap the settings icon next to the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected with. Next, tap QR code, and then enter your current screen lock or biometric to generate a QR code for your current Wi-Fi network. As you are now having the QR code, you can ask the other to scan it on their device so that they can connect to your current Wi-Fi network without entering the password. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.